Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys we are going to be playing a obby, so let's get right into this obby. And yeah, my voice has gone louder suddenly, hasn't it? I bet it has. I'm actually closer to the screen, that's why. If I do this, it's gone way louder. Right, okay, so we're gonna go down here. Whee! Whoa. We're in a... That's weird. Whoa. I don't like that. Okay, so I think we've got like... How many levels do we have? Like, if I look down... Whoa, that's a lot of levels. I'm making Minecraft level and yay. That again. Ooh, and it's white and white. Look, some dark. It was totally fire. Okay. Nothing can be made. Yeah, but we're not. Place is terrible. It's good. Oh. And then we're gonna try right. Stage 20. What stage we get up to, but that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it, and we will see you all next time. Goodbye, guys.